Hello everyone, I'm Leo Resende and I'm a CPA.
And I'm Brian Barbosa, International Tax Accountant.
Today we're going to be talking about what's better, buying or leasing a car for your business.
Many businesses are faced with the decision if it is either better to purchase a vehicle or simply lease one. Each will have its own tax advantage, therefore it's important to review the benefits to see what will best suit your business. Leo, tax-wise, what are the benefits of each of the options?
Brian, the main difference tax-wise between purchasing or leasing a company vehicle is depreciation. When you purchase a vehicle, you get to depreciate the full cost of the vehicle within normally a period of 5 years, its useful life. This means that you get a portion of the cost as a deduction in each of the 5-year period. Aside from that, if you finance the vehicle, you also get to deduct any interest that you pay during the year. When you lease the vehicle, you get a deduction for all of the lease payments at 100% rate, so it's a little bit different.
Interesting, Leo. It's also important to mention that in certain circumstances, you are allowed to depreciate the full cost of the newly purchased vehicle in the year of purchase, which makes great for tax planning purposes. However, there is a downside to depreciation. That is, when the vehicle is later sold, you will need to recapture the full depreciation amount. For example, if you purchased a vehicle for $5,000 and it has fully depreciated, that is, the full $5,000 has depreciated, and you are now selling it for $1,000, you will technically have a $1,000 gain. That is because the initial basis of $5,000, the purchase amount, will now have to be reduced by the $5,000 accumulated depreciation, leaving you with a zero cost basis in the vehicle. And since it's being sold for $1,000, you have a $1,000 gain on the sale.
That's correct, Brian. Apart from tax consequences, there are other items that need to be considered. When making a purchase or lease decision, a business owner should be asking themselves, first, is there enough cash for a down payment? Normally, when you're purchasing a vehicle, lenders require a down payment in the purchase of the vehicle. Whenever leasing a vehicle, normally a down payment is not required. Second, how many miles will be driven under the new vehicle? As we know, lease agreements have a limited amount of mileage that a driver can drive per year. Whenever you're purchasing a car, you don't have such limitations. Third, will the vehicle go through a lot of wear and tear? Wear and tear is a factor when making that decision. Under lease agreements, when you return a vehicle and it's under excessive wear and tear, you will be charged additional fees. That isn't the case when you purchase the vehicle. If it goes through a lot of wear and tear, it's just going to lower the resale value.
Thanks, Leo. That's some great information. Therefore, each option will have its own pros and cons, which should be taken into consideration when deciding if leasing or buying a vehicle is best for your business. For leasing, some of the pros would be you don't have to put a down payment, potentially. The monthly payments are going to likely be lower than if you purchased a vehicle. You get to drive a new vehicle more often, and the expensive repairs will likely be covered by the warranty. The pros for purchasing, on the other hand, is you can sell the vehicle at any time. There is no limit on the mileage. That is, you can drive as many miles as you would like per year. You can deduct depreciation expense with respect to the cost of the vehicle, and you may potentially be able to deduct the interest expense if the vehicle was financed.
When it comes to deciding whether purchasing or leasing a vehicle is the best option for your business, it's important to consult with experienced tax advisors.
Here at Leader Associates, we are experienced with all tax matters and would be more than happy to consult or discuss any important business decision your business may have.
Please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media pages for exclusive content. Thanks for watching.